Hi everybody! In this video I will explain how to detect the tensioner pulley noise in car engine and replace it very easy. Firstly, don't forget like and subscribe and share video. If you have any question, write a comment. Thank you so much. To test tensioner pulley, number 1, remove belt drive. This is a bad belt drive and damage because many cracks in belt drive. Number 2, remove cover on tensioner pulley. Then remove the belt drive. Spin the tensioner pulley and listen the noise. This is a bad tensioner pulley. Listen the noise. Number 3, make a compare with another pulley in water pump or alternator and listen the difference. Some tensioner pulley to remove the bolt, fasten the bolt like this. Fasten the bolt. And remove the tensioner pulley. Install the newest tensioner pulley and join the bolt. Listen the new tensioner pulley. No noise. Then install the belt drive. Like this.